Hi folks, how you doing? So today's the 30th of July, 2022, and I'm heading towards downtown Sydney to relieve a little bit of, the stress during the week. I'm gonna be riding my electric scooter. Now here I am in the my local ferry wharf, waiting for the ferry to get to downtown Sydney. You can see the Harbour Bridge. The Opera House is just around the corner. It only takes me 7 minutes here from my suburb of Belmont into downtown, and an old lady actually, made this library up. She's always walking her dog in the park around here, and there's a lot of awesome books. I found a lot of good books for university and things like that. And look at the rare gem that I found just here. Now here's the area of Bible books. There used to be there it is. There's a Bible here and things like that. There's a lot of biblical books here, but look at the rare find that I just found. Now this is the Bible translated from the Greek into the English. Now it's called Word Study Greek English New Testament by McReynolds. This book is amazing. It's an awesome rare find, another gem. Let me just open the page anyway, a random page. Okay, so we got here Matthew 26 58. Okay, now have a look at the Greek. Okay, the Greek being translated into English. So we got here but Peter was following him off from far until sorry, I don't have my reading glasses, so I'm struggling to read a little bit. The courtyard of the ruler, priest, whatever. I just don't have my reading glasses, so I can barely read it. But so I do apologize, folks, but this is the Greek translation into the English. What a rare find. Imagine giving away a book like this. Man, I'm going to be reading it so much tonight. It's going to be an awesome book. Wow. What else? This is like a first time that I'm actually flicking through the pages. Concordance. Oh, it looks like some kind of dictionary here. I'm not really sure, but someone left a page here. Word Study Greek English New Testament BibleText.com book review. Wow, there's no way that I'll be throwing a book like this. Come on, phone, please focus. This is where you can get it from, available at borders.com or bn.com. Man, what an amazing book. So this book is now officially mine. What a gem of a book, folks. Let me just put it right here. And, we'll go and look at other books. So I'm enrolled to do a uni course, and there's also amazing books here. Have a look at this one. Do you guys like rugby? The All Blacks, they've been winning the Bledisloe Cup for many, many years in a row. And Australia is not very happy. So, let's see if I can find some Italian books for my old man. Japanese, oh, he's one in Italian, but it's more of like a novel sort of thing. My father is into novels. So, yeah, so there's actually quite a few people here. So I'm gonna be heading to downtown, and I'm gonna be filming for you guys and doing videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.